How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Strongly effective cure for all diseases. Say bye-bye to SDS, cancer, diabetes, stroke, arthritis, and more. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy. Drink 1 cup of this recipe. One cup of water or juice. One tablespoon of flaxseed. Another recipe, take 1 tablespoon of flaxseed after waking up. One of the most famous plants in the history of medicine. In ancient Egypt, people used it to treat infections and colds. The cure for all illness is a plant known as black cumin, just cumin, or Nigella sativa. The beneficial health properties of this herb have been proven by more than 200 studies. The black cumin seeds can be beneficial when treating many diseases, especially ones associated with autoimmune health conditions such as allergic rhinitis, asthma, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, multiple sclerosis, and many more. It can also help lower high blood pressure. It helps reduce the symptoms of diabetes. It helps lower cholesterol levels as well. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid missing upcoming videos.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.